Oh, he just jumped right up to me. Oh,
Damn it.
You're welcome.
Wait. Wait. Oh, shit. Let's see. Let's see. Nope. Okay, went backwards. What? Oh! What the hell are those?
Staplers!
Looks like it.
Or boxes with
Hey, I got hit!
boxes with teeth. Boxes with teeth.
Boxes with
No.
teeth. It's a weird thing.
Don't fall for
Okay, come here.
King Koopa's evil tricks.
Hey, jump platform. Whee! Okay. Okay. I don't like this already. Because Mario's a slow bouncer. I'll wait. Ugh. Sorry, get your big.
Yeah, I'm big.
That's why I was mad at you before.
I have my hat back.
Yay! That means you're somebody now, right?
Being chased by a very dangerous turtle.
Spiky spikes. Ooh, coins!
Also known as a spinning.
Oh, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
I actually did not know that.
Did you know that the people who made worked on Final Fantasy games were Enix worked on Super Mario RPG?
Yeah, back when it was called Squaresoft, yeah. That's
Squaresoft.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's all good. Yeah, that was actually my, I'm gonna say that was one of my first RPGs I ever played.
They're the best! There are characters on that you will never ever see in any Mario game. As well as baddies.
Really?
Also, some of them weren't even like named correctly. The ones that were reused from previous Mario games. They were given like different names.
Surprisingly, huh? I just want junk.
Why am I trying to...
Ah!
Oh, that was the thing.
Yeah. Okay, anyway. Whoa.
Crap. I'm on the back of this. I'm on the back end. It's not good.
On the back. I don't want to be on the back. You were saying how they using the correct names?
Yeah, they weren't using that. We're supposed to go. They weren't using like the actual names of the characters. They like made up different names.
Oh, okay.
For them. Oh, good. We got this down.
Yes, we did.
Oh, apparently I did.
Speaking of Super Mario RPG,
Yeah.
little known fact. That's where Paper Mario 64 started as a sequel. That I believe.
Well, it was like
Sources
it was the next RPG. It was very similar. It played similarly.
Yes, it did.
You know, turn-based RPG battle
It's-
time.
I think it started off as an actual sequel, like Super Mario RPG 2.
You know what? It pretty much is.
Yeah.
Because there are some more items like you don't see honey syrup in any other games, but you see them in those.
Oh, okay.
Because it replenishes the hell they call it. Like PP for Pokemon.
Right. Like ability points.
Or mana or whatever the hell you want.
Yeah.
Flower points.
Flower points.
Flower points.
That's what they call it, and they call it flower
mother
points.
Fucking points.
What the hell?
FP, bitch.
FP. Stupid bitch. Fuck. Push down.
Throw me up. Throw me up. Oh crap! I made it worse.
We fucking suck.
I made it worse.
We fucking suck.
Go on without me.
It's the fucking platform.
You suck. Never mind. I'm going for it.
Okay. 1. 9 more.
Oh, there's more?
Oh boy. A chance to get 9, yes. Oh, yes. We've been ordered to take you down. Ooh. Ooh! Oh, my nose is... Okay. Bullet Bill! Oh, we gotta run this way. Oops. I'm like, wait, do I gotta run in front of Bullet Bill? Like, right to him? What the hell's wrong with me?
That was really easy.
I was literally running at Bullet Bill. How you doing?
I don't care what's happening. Go!
Burners!
I realized that I was looking
This was a
at the
mistake.
screen. I really thought I was you for some reason.
It's okay. This was a mistake. Oh.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to grab you. The run button is also.
Shit!
Okay, I'm very small.
Yes. Burners! And you got it.
I don't know how
I
to
thought you were
fall
gonna run off.
I was really close to the edge. Oh god!
Burners! Today's burners.
This, oh!
Nah. Whee! Too bad, we suck.
But
Hey, but we get 10 lives, right?
no, you were there. You were just there.
Yo, Luigi's like fucking epic when he dies. He's like, I need water in the desert. Because we're in a desert land.
I don't
So
know
it works.
what happened.
What happened? We got 10 lives. And 6 stars.
Tasty.
Yum. Fun.
Boy, that was very stressful.
And we're done with that.
Yay!
Whatever.
Probably could have jumped it. Whatever.
Yeah, I think you're right. So, this. Hey, more of what we just had to go through.
Spike's Lost City.
I don't like it at all. I'm very, yeah, I'm very anti this. Because this is Metal Gear Mario, yeah.
Easy button.
Fucking button, right? I don't give a shit more button.
Something tells me I can just. Jump right in.
Yeah, I stopped. Just watching.
So you can't always grab them. Yes.
It's yours, man.
Oh, I got a hat again. Life is good.
And a full-grown mustache.
All I ever wanted in life was to play as Luigi in Super Mario.
Really.
All I wanted in life.
That's quite a dream.
I have a dream to where to be the groove.
I have a dream that all little boys and girls will be able to play Luigi and Paper Mario. Don't worry, I'm small too.
Thanks. Now I won't feel so depressed in the showers.
Anytime.
Crap.
Wow, I jumped right into him and said, hey look, what's that spiky rolling log? Let me hit it.
Let me hit the spiky rolly. Oh. There it is.
Oh.
Didn't worry about doing that.
Durr.
Got a guy.
Whoa, how did he regurgitate that? You know what?
Yep.
Thanks for the points, man.
Just like the shower.
Rather not. Oh. Hey, I'm small too.
It's okay.
Who said that? Damn, juggles. Oh!
Like robbing a bank. Who leaves these here?
I'm telling you, intelligent design, Bowser. Ooh, this is trippy. Not really. Some of the part that you died.
Why? Why did I just bubble the whole time?
Bro, do you even bubble? Can we make that a thing now? Can we put it on our Facebook page? Bro, do you even bubble?
Alright, save something, right?
Juggles. Yeah. You're like, oh, fuck you.
Let's play this like a MMO. I will be DPS.
I'll be the tank. Fuck coins. Tank. That's it, man. Ah! Woo!
Oh, they clapped for you.
And they know my name.
Oh, I love how it looks like I'm just sitting in the most relaxing beanbag chair.
I see that. It's awesome, by the way. Man, I wish I could be in the bubble and just float and do nothing.
Yeah.
Too soon? Fuck! Every time! Yeah, that's done. Need that. Shine. Shine Sprite.
Oh, right, I was in the bubble.
It's alright. I knew it. I knew it.
I just like how that works. They should just automatically pop me out of the bubble.
Oh, really? Go ahead. You don't look thrilled.
Oh, good! Oh, you see that?
That was slick. That was sexy.
Oh, I just did that. Alright.
Flash puppy land.
I can only be cool for like 1 second at a time.
And we're back. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Whatever.
I forgot to mention that. It's gone.
Too much going on.
These wannabe Goombas. Where are the real Goombas at? Come on, guys. Where they at? So, in the original Mario game, the Goombas were actually close.
Where did I hear that from?
Apparently, it's in the game manual.
Oh, I got you. Okay. Oh, there's secret points. You can get secret points?
Do you trust me?
Nope.
Get the secret coins.
Sure don't.
Get those Star Fox rings.
Try. I need Star Fox.
That's right, kids. They're sure as hell not Sonic rings. They're Star Fox rings.
It's true. Because Star Fox is a Nintendo franchise.
Also,
And I'm jumping for no fucking reason.
oh, did you hear that they're bringing back Star Fox for Wii?
Yes, I saw the article that's saying Shigeru Miyamoto is testing, quote unquote, testing stuff with it to see if it'll actually like take it, if people actually like it. Using the 3D controller stuff. Apparently he's testing new things, and if it tests well, they're gonna make a Star Fox Wii U project out of it.
Yeah.
Or something to that extent. Does that sound familiar?
I read something about doing it in like different installments.
Okay.
Like, as if it's like you buy it in small pieces.
Yeah. And if it does well, they'll keep making them instead of spending the money on one full project or
Well,
some
why wouldn't
shit.
you just make an epic game?
Because they're stupid and I guess they don't think Star Fox sells, but it does.
It would.
I love Star Fox.
Think about Star Fox. It's the greatest that it is.
How many do
We have 50.
Oh.
We have exactly enough.
I agree, Star Fox, yes.
Yeah, Star Fox.
Yes, 100%.
But I prefer it to be more like the first game.
Yeah, the real ones, yes.
The real one.
I agree.
Grab the other one. There's two. Is there no one out there?
There's the DS one.
That's 64. Or is there like another?
No. That's 3DS. There's the Adventures, Assault, I don't know, whatever.
Those are the game.
There's one for the DS also. It's kind of like one. It's kind of like the sequel, the first sequel that got canceled. That eventually became the Star Fox 64.
Okay.
That's what the one for DS feels like. I played it. It was terrible. See how you just let me go do that?
Hey, bridge melted in the lava. Hey, you can bubble back in. You're welcome for playing ahead.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
Sort of.
Also lazy.
Whatever.
Wood. Oh, I don't care.
If I was lazy, would I pick this giant ass grappler up?
I don't know, would you?
Or golem?
Yeah.
Oh, he's.
Yeah, they just kind of respawn. Ugh, what's that? Hey, like poof, like Terminator 2. Spoiler alert! At the end, T-1000. No, Terminator goes in the wall. Oh, that's right. T-1000 does too. Sure. You need morphs into all. Please tell me you've seen that movie. Terminator 2. Judgment Day.
I saw a part of one of them at a Thai restaurant while I was eating the movie.
Okay. It's all Terminator 2 Judgment Day is only the best sequel ever made.